Coming to regulations and auditability, can you briefly summarize on how does Purple Identity help achieve SOX, HIPAA, and
Mhm.
other regulations?
Yeah, definitely. So when it comes to regulations, there are multiple aspects, right? It can be PII, auditability, access controls, data integrity. Especially for PII, we have come up with a new module known as privacy and consent module. So basically, customers can choose like what gets stored, both in transactional logs or in the customer DB, right? Auditability, again, you get to store, we store source, target, old values, new values, before change, after change, but again, contingent on the privacy and consent module. Data integrity based on reconciliation and aggregation that happens every day. Our policy engine kicks in, helps you clean data, identify unknown accounts as well as tail accounts, right? Finally, coming to access controls, again, access controls has two parts. One is process, procedure, and then access reviews. I would categorize access reviews as a separate line item because typically it takes a lot of time. So we have tried to come up with a solution here wherein you don't have to essentially replicate organizational structure or reporting structure, right, in another new tool.
Yeah, interesting. Can you elaborate?
Mhm,
So how do you manage approvals? Because today, a lot
mhm.
of time is spent building approval workflows and org
Yeah,
structures. Right.
yeah. So lot of this, so what happens is that we try to tightly integrate with ticketing tools like
Mhm.
ServiceNow, Zoho Desk, Zendesk, right? And most of these ticketing tools already have approval workflows built in, right? Again, you don't want to build a new structure in another new tool. So if we can make use of the structure that is already built in ticketing tools, then we help you do that. And most of the customers are actually happy to do it because it also addresses their auditability part, and also you don't have to replicate or spend 3 to 6 months time replicating the org structure, because org structure again, it keeps on changing, right?
Yeah.
Every company goes through mergers and acquisitions, etc.